Hello, my name is Dwight Pettit, and I'm talking to you today about accidents and your rights in terms of being involved in an accident. A lot of people think that because you in an accident, if you're in an accident and you're not the driver or it's not your automobile, you may not have certain rights. But you as a passenger, you have rights. If you're in an accident, you have rights really that go both to the person that was driving the car that you're in, as well as the person who's driving the other car that causes the accident. Or if you might have the person that you were driving with causes the accident. You have rights against either party in terms of who was at fault. And it doesn't matter whether you own the car or whether you have any interest in the car or whether you have insurance or not. You can go against the person that's driving. You can go against the persons involved in the other vehicle. You have rights as a passenger which transcend both vehicles. And so you should be aware of those particular rights. And in many cases, your medical coverage will be covered in terms of contingencies. For example, you hear all the time lawyers tell you that they don't get paid unless you recover. Well, that's correct. We don't take any fee. We cover your expenses, your legal fees. In many cases, the hospital bills will be worked along with us in terms of liens from the hospital that they will allow us to resolve at the time of the settlement of the accident. And in many cases, the doctors, both the doctors that you might go to or doctors that we might send you to, they will bill us, and we're able to pay those medical bills at the end of your treatment. So there are a lot of rights that you have in terms of your bills, in terms of your hospital, in terms of your medical bills, in terms of your rights as a passenger, as well as your rights as the driver and owner of a vehicle. And all this takes us into different things as to whether or not if you're in a very serious accident, whether there's sufficient coverage in terms of the car that you were in or the car that hits you, what they call uninsured or underinsured. You have those rights in terms of our laws in Maryland that will protect you. But you need to have a lawyer to, in fact, explain those rights to you. You need to come to us, Dwight Pettit, at 410-542-5400. Remember, if you need me, call me.